Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, you're about to witness something that you've never seen before. This is a Marx 799, of course, has the micro motor in it. And those new micro switches arrived today, and I've been experimenting with them. So these got here, I had to order these direct from China, and I bought 4 of them. They actually shipped 5 of them. So it's a double pole, double throw, micro slide switch, rather than using a toggle switch. And they're extremely small. So what I've done is I've wired it into the motor, and this is the micro motor, of course, and for now I've just surface mounted that switch on the back of the locomotive. You can see the wires inside. And I haven't finalized this yet. I just got it surface mounted and haven't glued it or put screws in it yet. I got to figure out exactly how I'm going to mount this. But I just got it put together, so I wanted to do a quick video. This is going to be its first run around the rail. I ran it on the bench. It works. So a Marx 799 that has a headlight and a forward and reverse with the micro motor. So let's take this around. As you see, it runs absolutely perfectly. It has a headlight in it. And we flip the switch, and it runs backwards. So to my knowledge, this has never been done before. I have never seen a micro motor in any locomotive with a forward and a reverse. So I've installed a headlight, and like I said, I just surface mounted this switch. And for now, I'm probably just going to epoxy this into position. And once it's solidly in there, I will probably just spray it and repaint it to match the locomotive, and it will virtually disappear. You can still see the wires. So I haven't finalized this yet. I just got it put back together. But I wanted to do a quick video. So Marx 799 with a micro motor, with a headlight, with a forward and a reverse manual E-unit. Really, really simple, really inexpensive. This costs $1 to put that switch in there. About. And it works. That's the neat thing about it. It actually works quite well, as you can see. So the micro motor with a headlight and a manual E-unit. Forward and reverse, as you see. Like I said, I got to figure out how I'm going to mount this. Like I said, I'll probably just epoxy it in there and then spray it, and just spray over it the same color as the locomotive, and it will just virtually disappear. So a really, really simple way to add a manual E-unit, forward and reverse, to the Marx micro motor. So a 799 that has a headlight and a manual E-unit. That is pretty neat. And like I said, I have never seen this before, so I don't know if it's been done before or not. But it works. And it actually works quite well. So flip the switch, run it forward. So I've never seen this locomotive run backwards. And as you can see, it runs absolutely perfectly. Plenty of power, no problems. So now I just mount the switch, hide the wires, and it will be finished. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. Like I said, I've never seen this done before. I've never seen a micro motor with a reverse switch, and I've never ever seen this locomotive run backwards. So one more time around, Marx 799 with a micro motor, headlight, and a manual E-unit. So it runs forward and reverse. As you see. So anyway, I just want to do a video on this. Always interesting to do experiments on these motors to see what you can make them do. Because the micro motor never had the option of running backwards. None of them offer or feature a reverse of any kind. So it has a headlight, manual E-unit. And like I said, for now, I've just surface mounted this switch. And I will very likely just epoxy this in position and then spray it to match the locomotive. And it will virtually disappear. Actually, it doesn't look that bad as it is. But I just want to do a quick video on this. Excuse me. A Marx 799 with a headlight and forward and reverse. So, just wanted to do a video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.